see.
I was thinking maybe it's the elements.
It says 6B. And 6B would be this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Welcome to North Star Estate. Please insert your driver's license or government-issued ID into the scanner.
How are you? I guess it's very small, whatever they send.
So why you imitating alcohol? I be needing Simone and defecating on your microphone.
I'm the plumber.
Good.
What's your name?
I can tell you them all. 10 is the one that the handle's hard to turn.
Right, and
8, 6 is the handle's hard to turn, but 6, the diverter's going out. 8, it is out.
so why don't we just go one by one? I'll take note of it. I'll make a list and then I'll come back and fix it all at one time.
Okay. Grab the keys.
Alright, so the problem with this unit is it goes off full force? Show it to me, tell me what this means.
Because I mean, but the stems inside are probably, it's time, dude. This is like original property.
Probably.
So, handles are hard here. This one's on. Alright, starts to stay down. Okay. Yeah, yeah. High climb. Good moment. Forward. Out. Forward. Here, come to this one. This one. The toilet just leaks from back here. Okay, let's see how bad this is. Before we get coming from the top of here.
This is really that.
Yeah, it's just like with the sink. I don't know that they have Mary Ann. It's just when you're using the sink, it backs up in the tub, right?
Okay. And I can do that right now, so you can get out of here by 2:30, and then if you do, I think, let me see what it is to get you a new one, Robert. Let me just text the office.
My other question is there anything we can do in the meantime?
Escape the Earth.
Escape the Earth.
Through this exit.
Through the exit.
Exit Earth.
Exit Earth.
Through this gate.
Through this gate. Exit Earth.
Exit Earth.
Third is get.
Third is get.
This get either.
This get. See Earth.
Third is pizza.
Third is pizza.
No, this gets me.
No, it gets me.
Are you on the Arizona already?
Are you on the Arizona already?
No, this gets me. No, this gets me. Are you on the Arizona already? Are you on the Arizona already?